Wealth does not just come out of the blue. It takes years of dedication, hard work, and perseverance, not unless you are born with a silver spoon. Many people aim to get rich, but they do not have the right mindset. They think that they will never get rich because they do not have the money to start with. That is not the right way to go. Today, in this video, we are sharing the major steps to get rich in real life. Step 1. Dream big. You must dream big when you're learning how to get rich with no money. This is one of the most important steps. Without a dream, you're without a reason to do anything. Many people would buy their parents a dream home, go on vacation for months, or buy a super sports car or luxury car if they were rich. But not a lot of people really think that will happen. You just have to really believe that someday you'll obtain those things. Don't let anyone steal your dreams. Dreaming keeps your head in the game, and you'll likely do something about it the more you dream. Step 2. Have a blueprint. The first huge step to get rich is to devise a plan or blueprint with the objective of brainstorming ideas or every such opportunity which you think can be achieved and having huge potential in making money. For instance, with $400 in your savings account, opening a restaurant is not an immediate feasible choice or plan. Instead, utilization of other resources such as your time shall be your backbone of the pain. Step 3. Get enough education or develop skill set. Education, developing new skills, and more importantly, continuing education is one of the most effective and powerful ways to get rich. People often fail or give up because they think they know everything there is to know and don't continue their education. You can never know it all, and you can never know enough. I believe it was Robert Allen who said, "The fastest route from poverty to wealth is education." 4. Become an innovative. The most important step in getting rich is to be innovative when implementing your money-making ideas. Nevertheless, being innovative does not mean that you need to invent the next iPhone, but instead come up with a way to improve or enhance upon an existing product or service, or even discovering plus entertaining a market that has a huge potential to grow about. Just remember that whichever route you are heading, you just cannot stay at status quo. Instead, you must be the leader, innovator, and or pioneer, or one to discover in some capacity to get rich. Step 5. Think outside the box. Just accept that you can't be rich just by having a 9-to-5 job. You have to think outside the box. You have to have a way to multiply a paycheck for you. There's never been an easier time than now. Thanks to the internet, there are endless opportunities. You can even start working from home and build an internet business and make massive amounts of cash. A few companies offer you your own free income generating website which will teach you how to start making sales in a couple of days. The only thing you have to do is learn a few techniques and apply them. It does not take money to make money, it takes the right path and skills. Step 6. Start any easy online business that you can afford. There are many ways to make money on the internet, and the good thing is that it's free and doesn't matter how old you are or how much experience you have. The quicker you start, the quicker you get rich. Many people are working from home and making tons of cash. There's a vast number of websites that will teach you how to get rich on the internet. My advice to you would be to find one you believe you can trust, do your research, and get going. You don't have to part with your hard-earned money to find out about this either. There's ways you can get started for free. Step 7. Give yourself permission and be grateful. Write this out. I give myself permission to make XYZ dollars. I'm so thankful for my life and this income. Whatever it is, you're giving yourself permission to receive. Obviously, being grateful is just as important, and you need to write down a statement of gratitude as well for your new income. Step 8. Start owning your brick and mortar business. You can create a service or business that you pay someone else to run for you. A great example of this is Burger King. Do you think the owner of your closest franchise is coming into the office to work every day? Probably not. He or she is making money every day that business is open, if they're there or not. Step 9. Investing your money. By investing your money, you can actually get your money earning more money for you. And if you regularly reinvest the money your investments bring in, your gains will compound and grow exponentially. And all of this will take place while you're off doing other activities. Assessing your risks is a really important part of getting rich. If you don't look at the pros and cons of every decision you make, you might end up making a mistake or two which could spell disaster in the long run. Try and look at the worst case scenario and make decisions based on it. How to get rich may not be as complicated as it sounds. It is simple and understandable, yet many people overlook it and misunderstand the process of getting rich. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thanks for watching this video.